Neil Diamond begins singing everyone's favorite lyric.
I probably shouldn't tell her that she's adopted this time, then.
This time? Dude, okay. What is this? A tradition? Something that you mention at the end of every year?
No, it's just... whatever, it's not important. I think that they'll get along just fine without us. Jigsaw falling into place.
The four, Monsieur Santiago, Derek, the guard, and the principal, all grin, staring at the five happy teenagers, as we all